In this video, we're going to learn how to use image sprites. So first of all, how do we define image sprites? Basically, many websites like Apple, they will avoid loading many pictures at a time, and rather than doing that, they will use one master image, and they will use CSS positions to display images that are only chunks of that big image. So for instance, if we want to display this bit of the image, we just need to use the CSS position of the image and the dimensions of the image. Other websites like Amazon are using the same way of doing, utilizing image sprites, which makes the overall user experience more smooth, and it avoids all the multiple HTTP requests and all the flickering of pictures. So let's build our own example. So what we're trying to achieve here, so we're trying to use this picture. So we want to be able to display only one chunk of the picture using some coordinates and the dimensions of the picture to display. So let's create an image first in the body. And let's give it an ID, image 1, and let's style it. So you're going to go image 1. So we want the width to be 100 pixels and the height to be 100 pixels as well. And we want to set the background using the picture. Okay. And now we need to tell the browser what are the coordinates of the position we're starting from. So what's going on here is that we're starting from 0, 0, and we are displaying a picture with dimensions 100 pixels by 100 pixels, which is this bit. So that's that point has got coordinates 0, 0. If we move to another point here, the coordinates to use are not the ones shown on the screen now, which are 310 and 304, but we need to use minus 310 and minus 304 because we are looking at our position relative to this point. And basically 0, 0 is equivalent to the dimensions of the picture. So coordinates of 0, 0 is the same as coordinates of 2248, 1500. And we can prove that if we change this 0, 0 to the dimensions of the picture, then we'll get exactly the same results. Okay, so now let's go for another example. Let's try to show the chunk starting there and ending there. So the starting point we need now is going to be minus 700, minus 200. And the width we're going to go for 500 by 500, for instance. Yeah, and we're seeing exactly what we wanted. So we wanted that bit, and that's what we are seeing here. So that's how image sprites work. It is a powerful tool, and it's something to keep in mind when we're doing web design. And also they allow a better way of maintaining website design as well.